I think this is a good look for me. This is an experiment. Note to self, don't get this close. Hey guys, Omar here, and today I'm experimenting a little. I'm playing around with the Rokinon 12mm f2 lens. I'm gonna try vlogging with it, which is what I'm doing now. And I'm gonna show you my studio space, and we'll do a little photography at the studio space. So let's go traveling. All right guys, so I'm here in my studio complex. This is the coolest place. So this is a shared office place with movie studios and photographers, artists, furniture makers, but it's an old 1800s factory in the historic section of Patterson. And I have like a tiny little studio space, but it gives me access to all this beautiful, awesome space, great places to do photographs, to shoot grunge. You guys know how I like the grunge stuff. And it's just a great place, nice community too, a bunch of artists, and I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys around. I'll show you my studio, but we're also gonna shoot with the Rokinon 12mm f2 lens. So I'll go around, and anything I see, I'll do a little photography so you can see how the lens performs, okay? Let's go. See what I'm talking about, guys? Look how cool this old equipment and gear is here. Let's try to do a shot. I'll just show you that on the wall. These are just some vinyl prints. That's from Hoboken, my hometown. Cool dude, cool kid right there. As most of you know, I do teen photography. There's my son. This is the Yosemite picture from the summer. And another cool teen. So most of my photography work is done from my home office. That's where you usually see me recording my videos. But this is a great place to do indoor shoots, to meet with clients, and also to be part of the artistic community in the area and to, you know, talk shop with other photographers. So that's really cool. Let me show you the rest of the spaces to shoot in. All right, here's one of the cool shooting rooms. You see that? There's a lot of space. This isn't even the biggest space, guys. Wait till you see upstairs. So there's multiple buildings, and they have these great bridges which go between different buildings. But they're all nice, fun, grungy. That's cool. Here's another shooting room. You can see vaulted ceilings. There's a cool door at the end. Let's go over there. So check out this cool door over here. Neat, huh? Good advice. All right, guys, so this room looks like someone was using a fog machine in here. It's pretty foggy, but this is a great room. Look at the floors here. They're like slate floors, and brick wall on the back. Great natural light that comes in, so it's really nice to do portraits here. But a very good space. windows, great for natural light. Those of you that know the ESPN documentaries 30 for 30, the Pistons episode with the Detroit Pistons was recorded here at the studios. Very cool. I gotta do a shot in this chair. Alright, so here's where I didn't realize my Takstar was off, so I'll narrate the rest. So the place has a lot of grungy things here. I was talking about the sink. Straight out of camera. If you notice, a lot of my straight out of cameras were a little underexposed. I think my LCD screen was too bright, so I was underexposing things. This is an art space. They do exhibits here, which is really nice. Again, the community showing off its work. And this is a staged wedding area, so I started to fool around and do sort of wedding photography with the Rokinon 12mm. And what's great about the 12mm, and this is what I was explaining here, is you can use it to show your background environment while still getting nice bokeh and getting close to your subject. So here, these little flowers, if I get close to them, you can see in the background, you can see the room in the back. And you can do that with, it shows like ceilings. And here I did a high key of this teacup. And here I showed that, the distortion was pretty good on the 12mm. Again, I should just sell presets. Here's my wedding package preset. All right, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little vloggy tour with the Rokinon 12mm f2. Totally had fun shooting around. It's a good lens for videoing stuff, but as far as vlogging and videoing yourself, it's a little tough. I think I'll make a separate video to let you know the challenges, how I shot stuff, how I figured out my focus. So look out for that. I think I'll make a video on that. As far as B-roll and taking wide shots of your vacation, it's definitely a very cheap lens, so if you have some cash lying around, it's great to have an extra lens that's fun in your bag. Super fun to shoot at f2 close to items. I really love doing that. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you got a little. If you have any questions, let me know below. Super fun lens. I don't know if I'll be vlogging with it because it's so tough, but we'll see. All right, see you next time.